Today we're going to try the prawn curry and curry fries from the AC kitchen at the AC Marriott Guyana. Alright, before we start, I wanted to ask, do you enjoy the food reviews from the hotel, or would you rather me go to the restaurant and start doing the reviews from the restaurant? Let me know down in the comments. Alright, let's just jump right into this taste test. Here we go. First I got some roti. We'll get back to that in a minute, but I just want to get it out of the way. Not a very big dish here, so I feel like I'm probably going to make a mess here shortly. So first, I'm going to scoop some of this rice out, get it out of the way to make room for the curry to pour in. Looks like they went with the basmati rice, which that's perfect for me because I love some basmati rice. All right, let's go ahead and dump this in. All right, I'm going to start by saying it smells delicious, so I'm really ready to dive in. We're going to start with some shrimp, tail-on shrimp, so be careful of that. Yeah, it's got some good flavor. Yeah, right away I'm getting that cumin flavor. Also that garam masala. Love both of those flavors. I do a lot of butter chicken at home, and of course those two items are used in the butter chicken. Yeah, you'll see a lot of green bits and pieces in the curry. That's the Caribbean green seasonings. That consists of thyme, scallions, which are green onions, garlic, some wiri peppers, which is that amazing pepper that's used in that pepper sauce that I've tried in other videos. And they also use some cilantro. All right, now let's get it into this rice. That's what I really want to taste. That's where all the flavor is. When you get all that curry mixed in with the rice, that's where you really get to taste it. Yeah, you can see all the herbs and spices. They've really loaded it down. Let's just bring the whole thing to you. You can just see. Here, take a look at this. That looks good, doesn't it? That's really tasty. I'd say the heat is probably like medium, not over spicy, but it has a little bit to it. But like always, I prefer a little more, but I do have some pepper sauce this time. A lot of people told me always ask for the pepper sauce, so now that's what I do. Every time I order some food, I say, I'll take some pepper sauce. The shrimp appear to be cooked perfectly. They're not chewy. They taste good. They're coming out of the shell nicely. It's very properly cooked shrimp. So the prawn curry at the AC kitchen here at Marriott was 7,000 Guyanese. So that's roughly 35 US dollars. That'll get you the prawn curry, the roti, and some rice. So I also got some curry fries. I will say it's not exactly what I thought it was going to be when I first saw they had curry fries. It's actually fries with a curry seasoning on it. When I first saw curry fries, I thought it was going to be fries with actual curry poured onto the fries, but that's not the case. So what you do is you just go ahead and order both and you dip it in there yourself. It's incredible. By themselves is really good too. I've never had fries with curry seasoning. Never even thought to do that. So that's, to me, kind of genius. Because if you like curry like I do, then that's a way to utilize those flavors with other foods that you normally eat. So I'm already trying to think of other foods that I can add the curry seasoning to get this same flavor. So it's very good. They have a really good pepper sauce here at the Marriott. They have two different kinds. They make one themselves. It comes in a jar. I definitely recommend that one. Then they have a prepackaged pepper sauce. I always ask for the one in the jar. It's very good. and that packs some heat. So that's what you need in this curry too. So don't be bashful with the pepper sauce. And you can always get more, so that's the beauty of that. They have plenty. There's no shortage of pepper sauce here in Guyana. So get that mixed in now with the pepper sauce, get that extra heat. Oh yeah, that's perfect. They also have some tomatoes. I think that's just for the Marriott for presentation. I don't think that's very common. I haven't been seeing sliced up tomatoes in curry. Still good. But these fries, I'm telling you, the fries are 1,500 Guyanese, which is about $7.50 US. But I'm telling you, it's worth coming just to eat these fries. They're that good. So let me know, have you eaten here at the Marriott yet? It's the new one over by the Ogle Airport. If so, have you tried the prawn curry or these curry fries? I'd love to know in the comments what your thoughts are. I think it's great. I also like to mix the ketchup with the pepper sauce. That adds a good flavor. Especially if you just get regular fries. You can always just mix the ketchup with the pepper sauce, and that makes a really good sauce for those fries. But really with these curry fries, you can eat them just by themselves. They're great. But dipped in the prawn curry, next level. All right, we got to get into this roti. And apologies in the previous videos, I was saying puri. Sounded like you're supposed to say puri. So in the future, if I ever get any of that, then I'll make sure that I pronounce it as puri. P-O-O-R-I. It's spelled P-U-R-I. I just assumed it was puri. Sorry, guys. Yep, the roti's good. I always love a good roti. Also, if I pronounce anything else wrong or whatever, or, feel free to leave that in the comments. I don't take it personal. I do want to better understand the pronunciation of everything and the culture, the food, everything. So, don't be afraid to leave comments of whatever I say or whatever you want to tell me, because I appreciate all the comments. I'll say it's a very solid dish here. It's definitely worth getting again. And like I said, those curry fries, I would come back and get those every time. It don't matter what I order. I would just say I want curry fries. So here we go. We're going to leave it with one last shrimp. So good. All right, keep leaving those recommendations in the comments, and we're going to just keep checking them off the list. Appreciate you watching.